So what I'm going to show you here today is a demonstration of the Hidemaster range of products with its new name called Leather Renew. As you can clearly see, this upper part of this seat where we've changed the colour from black to cream on the left hand side and red inserts, you can see that this has got damage with all the scuffing and one thing and another. And what we're going to do is to show you very, very quickly how quick Leather Renew is to renew your leather. So first of all, you want some alcohol cleaner, LRC 3 alcohol cleaner. Simply put onto a cloth, wipe it over the surface just to degrease it, like so, very, very gently. Just wipe it over like that, and that's just going to degrease the area for you. So that'll obviously remove all the grime and stuff like that on the surface. Give it a quick flash over with the hairdryer. It's a solvent, so it'll dry very quickly. This is the product here. Give it a shake. It's what we use. I've been using and selling to people that do leather jacket restorations and classic car restorations and stuff like that. Some on the sponge and just simply wipe in like that. You can dab it if you wanted to as well. If you really wanted to dab it, you can do. There is no set rules with this. You just simply wipe it in and you shouldn't get any streaks with it at all. If you do, straight lines, get rid of them. It dries very, very quick. You can leave it to dry on its own, or to dry it even faster, we'll use the hairdryer to do that. Your leather renewed with a brand new coating from Leather Repair Company. Leather Renew.